about Beehive yourself. The number 1 swarm collecting tip. I have been collecting swarms for over 10 years, and in that time I've had my successes and my failures.
You just have to leave them where they are.
Common to my successes is this mantra: take the swarm and the thing it's on. It seems that whatever the swarm is or has been attached to, the bees will be determined to stick to or return to it. I believe the queen's pheromones play a big factor in this. In this case, the swarm was in a bush, so with the aid of a pair of secateurs, the swarm and branches were removed to the nucleus hive. Getting the bees off each small branch can be tedious, but it is necessary. They are better off receiving comb or foundation from the get-go, so they put their resources into building out removable frames. But some situations dictate that you can't take the swarm and what it's on. A brick wall or tall trees come to mind. Nonetheless, in these scenarios, the swarm frequently absconds, or you find later the colony is queenless. One thing to note: remove the nucleus hive once the sun has set, otherwise you will receive a phone call the next morning saying the swarm is still there, albeit there would be a ball of foraging bees returning to the swarm site, wondering where the others have gone. At sunset, remove the box to the apiary and perhaps put them in a bigger hive. Thank you for watching. If you enjoyed this video, hit the like button. I will have more videos coming out in the near future, so please subscribe. And if you have any questions or comments, leave them in the section below. And until next time, stay well.